Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kinta Santosa with ID student 1234091 with ID student 123490009. I'm from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering, Technology Institute of Sumatra. So in this video, I will show you how to add test point in KiCad and Gerber video. So first of all, I will open schematic editor. This is my schematic editor, and then I will click symbol editor, symbol. So we will search for test point. Okay, test point, and then test point, it is used for measuring the communication of the component. So it will show us if there are debug or something error. So that's the function of test point. So we will put this test point on the VCC, and then maybe we will put it on the ground also, and then we will put it in the communication between the ESP and the actuator or sensor. So I will add test point for the communication, so we can measure if there is debug or something wrong. So that's the function of test point. Okay. And then we will just duplicate the test point and put it in the communication that we need. Okay. Okay. After we put all the test point, we will click on PCB editor. We will switch to PCB editor, and after it open, we will update the PCB. Wait, test point. Don't forget to add the footprint of the test point. So I will search for the test point. I will use you can choose what size of your test point. In this schematic, I will use 2mm test point maybe. Okay, I will click. Maybe I will just assign the footprint. I will add the footprint of the test point. test point path I will use 2.5 maybe. I will use this for all the test point footprint, and then apply save schematic and continue, and then OK, and then we will click switch to PCB editor. We update the PCB. After we update the PCB, the test point will show up on the PCB editor, and we will place the test point in the track. For example, okay, we will wait. Maybe for the test point I will use the smaller footprint because it's just for example. I will use the 2mm maybe. Yes, I will use the 2mm. And then apply save and continue. Okay, go back to PCB editor, update the PCB, and the test point will show up. So we will put the test point on the track that we need. You can see for the example, we will click on the VCC test point, and we will put wait, it's not connected now. Okay, update. Okay, we will update the test point PCB editor. Update PCB. Okay, okay. Now the PCC test point has show up, and we will place, maybe I will place it in, maybe I will put here. Maybe I will put it here. For the PCC, I will put maybe I will put it here. Okay. Okay, maybe we will put, so we will just put the test point on the track. Okay, put it in. Then to make it more easy, you can give a name for the test point. So it will show you the test point like for the VCC or for the ground. So you can add name for the test point. But in this video, I will just show you how to put the test point, how to add the test point. Okay. We have to put the test point on the top side of the PCB so it can seen by us. Okay, all the PCB has been added to the PCB, and we will check the 3D viewer. So to make it more easier, you can add name for the test point. So it will show you which is the test point that you use. For example, on the first test point you use VCC. So you can add name for the first test point to test point VCC. But because this is for example, I will just show you how to add the test point. So like that, and then for the Gerber, I have shown you from the previous video. We will click plot and then plot and then yeah, like that. So I think that's all that I could tell you about the adding test point on the PCB KiCad. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.